Learning with aims. Hello children. Let us learn the phonic sounds of alphabets G to M with picture words. This is capital letter G and small letter G. G is for gate.
Gate.
G is for grapes.
Grapes.
G is for giraffe.
Giraffe.
G is for grass.
Grass.
This is capital letter H and small letter h. H is for horse.
Horse.
H is for hen.
Hen.
H is for hat.
Hat.
H is for helicopter.
Helicopter.
This is capital letter I and small letter I. I is for India.
India.
I is for igloo.
Igloo.
I is for ice cream.
Ice cream.
I is for ink.
Ink.
This is capital letter J and small letter j. J is for jellyfish.
Jellyfish.
J is for juice.
Juice.
J is for jacket.
Jacket.
J is for jet.
Jet.
This is capital letter K and small letter k. K is for koala.
Koala.
K is for key.
Key.
K is for kite.
Kite.
K is for kettle.
Kettle.
This is capital letter L and small letter L. L is for lion.
Lion.
L is for leg.
Leg.
L is for leaf.
Leaf.
L is for ladder.
Ladder.
This is capital letter M and small letter m. M is for monkey.
Monkey.
M is for mouse.
Mouse.
M is for mushroom.
Mushroom.
M is for moon.
Moon.
Thank you for watching AIMS. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.